Hi everyone, my name is Chris Behrens and welcome to my course Using Microsoft Tye with Microservices. Microsoft Tye is an experimental framework for enabling microservice properties like service discovery, containerization, and deployment. Some of the major topics that we will cover include running applications with Tye, driving Tye with YAML configuration, implementing dependencies with Tye, and deploying all this to Azure. By the end of this course, you will have the skills and knowledge of Tye to painlessly and simply containerize your application and deploy it to Kubernetes. Before beginning the course, you should be familiar with .NET Core development in general, have some familiarity with deployment, and at least a basic grasp of containers. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn how to coordinate and deploy your microservice architecture with the Microsoft Tye with Microservices course at Pluralsight.